Alright, I'm pretty sure that this is a Walmart Hugger. I do not think that this is a Harbor Breeze Armitage because I do not see any Harbor Breeze logo on it, and the chains are kind of different. This one's mounted really close to the door, but believe it or not, you can open this door without any trouble, as you can see. You have no trouble opening and closing the door. We'll go ahead and demonstrate this one. I think this is the light. Yeah, it's light, and we'll turn it on low first. Once again, pretty much the same performance as the Mayfield. Not too bad, but not too good. I'll turn it on medium. Just gonna make this quickly. Yeah, it really is a good air mover. I'm quite surprised. Here's high. Very powerful. Let's play it again. And that is the Walmart Hugger.